How to use what? Here are some questions that start with what to help students understand how to use it correctly. What is your name? What do you like to eat? What are you doing right now? What time is it? What is your favorite subject? What do you want to become in the future? What makes you happy? What is the capital of your country? Here are some questions a student can ask their teacher using what. What is the meaning of this word? What is today's homework? What is the best way to improve my English? What chapter will we study next? What should I do to get better grades? What is the deadline for this assignment? What is the difference between enter and exit? What book do you recommend for extra reading? What will be in the exam? If you meet Amitabh Bachchan, here are some what questions you could ask him. What inspired you to become an actor? What is your most memorable movie role? What challenges did you face in your career? What advice would you give to aspiring actors? What is your daily routine like? What was your experience working in Bollywood for so many years? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What is the secret behind your deep voice? What are your thoughts on the future of Indian cinema?